So now when you'll start making a new profile, you must have a valid email ID. Okay. And either you'll have the option of sign in, or just go to new to LinkedIn and join now. Okay. And then you have to mention an email address. So I'll just mention email address, and then my password, and I'll say agree and join, my first and last name, continue. Okay, might have created another profile with the same email ID, but once you just put this email ID, and I don't have any other email ID. Hold on. Okay, let's do it now. If you want to save password, you can. I don't want to. Just put your postcode. This is not the correct postcode, but yeah. Again, just put it your postcode, your region, and just click on next. And just like, if you want any job title that you want to put, and your employment type, and most recent company. Okay, and continue. And if you're a student, you just have to click I am a student, and then you will get a code on your email address, which I've got right now. And finally, it will be taken. Yes, I'm actively looking for a job, or whatever your status is. No, really, but would consider the right opportunity. No, I'm not interested in any job opportunity. So whatever it is, like, so currently I'll just put I'm actively looking for a new job. That's it. What are the job titles that I'm interested in? Data scientist. Okay. And you can put up to five job titles. So data consultant, data manager, data specialist, or just for the sake of saying data analyst or senior data analyst. Okay. The job location, I would prefer London. So whatever your job preference is, and I'm also open to remote work. So just put it that way, or anywhere in United Kingdom if I'm opting for remote job. So in your case, if you want to put something of that sort, you can put Bangalore, Gurgaon, up to five location, and just like put it India, and like I'm open to remote work or something like that, and that should do. So these are the steps. Okay. And then it will match your job alert. I mean, it will create your job alert based on these two profiles. And then it will be shown to the recruiters as well. Let uh, recruiters know your profile open to new jobs. This is a profile that I'm showing, just giving you for this. I mean, showing you for the sake of just showing. So I'll just switch it off, but you should keep it on. And then you can scan a barcode and download an app uh, using this barcode in your phone as well, and then click on next, and that's it. Your profile will be created. Okay, so this is my profile, and these are the options that I'm getting based on my uh, company, as well as based on my email address. I mean, my email address is like University of Southampton email address, so it will. So I'll, if you want to connect, just click on connect, and a connection request will be sent to them. Okay, and I'll just skip for now. Okay, and it is suggesting that these are the LinkedIn networks that you should start. uh, these are the jobs, IT service consulting industry. Because I work for Cyclum, these are the companies that I should follow. uh, there are few people that are very high profile people in United Kingdom that I should follow. There are some companies uh, that are very much related to Cyclum. So things that Cyclum do, these companies also do. So that's why LinkedIn will recommend to follow, and few popular things that LinkedIn asks to follow. So if you want to follow, you can just follow it, click on next, and that's it. Your profile will be created. Okay. Now, when you click on your name, then it will appear like this. Okay, a new profile. You can click on the camera picture, click on the camera picture, and upload, uh, edit profile background, and then upload picture. So if I want to just get any picture from my laptop and upload it, I can do the same for my profile picture, upload a photo, or use a camera directly to upload the picture. Okay. Now, there are other things that you can do, like if you want to click on open to, so you can just put on find a new job, hiring, or anything, and that frame will come up, whatever you are interested in. If you want to add profile section, you just have to write about these things, and your profile section will be added. Okay. And just click on more to build a resume and say a few things about your profile as well. So if you want to build a resume, then you just simply can upload a resume from your laptop, and basically it will be uploaded. Okay. Now, ad will be visible once you say open to finding a new job, or if you're a company or a recruiter hiring, then you can do that as well. Okay. So
Rahul, sorry to interrupt. One question.
sure.
Where was the option to upload the resume?
So when you click on more,
Okay,
and
okay,
then you'll see the
okay, okay. Thank you.
and here is a messaging, and things like that. Okay. So I already got a LinkedIn newsletter request, which I can accept or ignore, whatever, and that's how it works basically. So again, now going back to my main profile. Yeah. So yeah. So here it is basically. And when I click on my profile, it shows few things. So there's an option of edit button, okay, where you can just click on edit. And if you want, put your name. If you want to put your additional name, you can. If you want, you can put your pronouns as well, just in case if you want. And here I have put few things. Okay. Uh, these things are the headlines of your profile. So headline means like what are you working on, what all you are interested in, what are the things that you want to highlight. So instead of headline putting as I am looking I am a data consultant, data scientist, whatever, you just have, if you want, you just remove all the things, just put data consultant, data scientist, whatever, or data analyst, and put open to work, or immediately available, serving notice period, everything, whatever information that you want to put, you can put it over here on the headline, so that whenever people look for you, they understand that okay, this guy is available immediately, or serving notice period, or looking for a new job, looking for a new opportunity, whatever you want to put, you can put it like that. It should look appealing to the recruiter that you are interested and you are actively looking for a job. Okay. Now, when I say, and obviously you can put some more information about location, you can put some more information about contact information. So if I haven't put contact information over here, but if you want, you can put it just like that. So your date of birth, your phone number, and everything. If you have a website or any instant messaging option where you want to put, just put it there, and it will be fine. Okay. So that's how it works. And first thing first, like basically And obviously this is the new feature. If you want to just put up a custom link where you add a link that will appear at the top of your profile, let's put it that way and see how it works. So if you put the link, it will appear at the top of my profile. Okay.
Can you repeat the last step? Add that link.
So when you click on edit, okay, when you go at the very bottom, custom link. So if you want to add a link at the top of your profile, so just wanted to, if you want to highlight something of that sort, like if you want to highlight your
GitHub.
maybe profile link or any other website that you have created, any dashboard that you have created, if you want to put it and write down a link text, then obviously it will be highlighted. So suppose, I mean, I don't want to put it, but it should work like that. So you just have to click on link and link text, and that's it. Uh, and just click on save, and it will be appearing in your profile. So if you're interested to show the GitHub, just mention that link on the top, so that if people come to know about your profile and they interested to know more about your work, then they can access that. Okay. So these all you can do at the top. This is a frame open to work that you can add. Okay. So when you click on your profile, when you go on frames, there are 3 frames that is there. So if you click on original, it will be original. If you click on open to work, it will be open to work. If you're looking to hire someone, you just put on hire and that's it. Okay. So in the frame, it will be obvious that uh, you are looking for work. Okay. That's it for the first section of the profile. Now, and obviously I've already shown that how to put up your resume. Okay, so you can put up your resume as well. uh, then there's a verification section. It's very important if you're working, and if you connect your profile with your work profile, and they will send you an email notification, and basically that will show that you are a verified person who is working. So I verified it last month, so that's why it's showing less than 1 month ago. But yeah, it should be updated as soon as you join, and should be visible to the recruiters as well. Okay. Perfect. Any other questions as of now? Okay. So there will be few suggestions that it will show. Is your current title at Cyclum this, or highlight your skills and things like that. If you want to edit experience, you can do that. It's up to you. But at the very top, it should look like this. Like, what are your highlights of the career? What all things that you have done, uh, and basically it will generate some hashtags based on what I talk about. So talk about AI, Python, data science, deep learning, and machine learning. Okay, this is my contact information. I haven't put much. You can, if you want to put a lot of information, I refrain myself from putting my email address and phone number. If somebody is interested, they can go to my resume, and basically recruiters can go to my resume and contact me. But I don't want to like showcase it openly, so I don't put it like that. If you want, you can. It's up to you. uh
Rahul,
apart
one question. Sorry to interrupt. Do we need to add these hashtag by ourselves or it will be done automatically? Talks
so
about.
so it will add itself, but I think there is an option where you can put it somewhere. No, it will add itself. Sorry. So it will add itself. You don't have to worry about it. But I don't remember doing it on my own. It has added itself. Okay. And it basically takes the important highlights from your profile, and then it adds itself. Okay.
Okay. And one more thing, like in the top context, Rahul Anand, data consultant, data science, then you
Yeah.
have separated this university and analytics with double pipe.
Yeah.
So this is the uh, syntax, something like that, or this is
No,
mandatory?
it's not mandatory. It's not a syntax. I mean, it's nothing syntactual. It's basically that I have separated it basically to just show, it's basically highlighting. I've seen few good profiles, and based on that I have put it like that. If you want some other way to put it, like if you want to put star or any separator, you can do that. It's fine. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yep. So, and in when you are active, it will show like how many searches, how many post impressions, what are the how many profiles that has been shown. And I recommend people to take like first month. It's if you are actively looking for a job, first month LinkedIn Premier Premium is basically free, so you can take that. You can make an opportunity out of it, and try and contact recruiters. Okay, so if you want to take a premium option, they will show it at the beginning of your profile only. So when you create, it will say try premium for free. Okay, so just click on it, and it will be, and you can put it, I'd use premium for my as part of my job, and then you click on next, and then whatever information that you want to give, like to develop my professional skills, to network, to find and hire talent faster, that next, and then see who's interested in my profile, find jobs, see I compare, learn about hiring trends, or create an optimized resume with keywords and insight, everything, and access up to date content, take courses, explore full libraries, learn about no, choose from bite size and depth videos. Yeah, it's fine. And yeah, contact people outside my network, search for the right people, see who's interested in my profile, stay up to date, develop my skills. Other everything is fine. These are the things that when you put it, so it will be, and then it will be showing you further options like career, get hired. So you always choose career. Business, if you have a business and you want to grow in that business, then obviously you can choose this. And then your sales navigator core, where you are like putting up, trying to build some partnership, and then recruiter light, where you are, if you're a recruiter or a hiring manager, then obviously you should take this. So based on that, I want to get it like this career. So in your region it will show something else like 1500 rupees or something like that. In my region it is showing me pounds, and then 1 month free trial. So once I'm clicking on it, so it will just uh, create a free LinkedIn profile for premium profile for first month, and after that it will ask me to pay. Okay, so you can take an opportunity, take advantage of a new profile, try it, try 1 month for free, and then finally see if you can uh, basically in 1 month, if you can try and leverage this opportunity and get a job within a month. And then after that, if you feel that uh, you need it for another month to search for jobs, then obviously you can invest a little bit. It will allow you to uh, I mean, major benefit of it is like it will give you some personalized job alerts. I mean, you get job alerts, but it will give you job alerts immediately. Once new companies post job, it's very highly likely that even for one application, one job profile, thousands of applications will go. So if you apply early, then there are chances that you will get uh, your profile selected faster. Okay, and then finally, when you look for directly contacting few people. So suppose I am looking for a recruiter, and they have a premium profile, or they have logged their profile such that nobody can message them directly. Then if you're a premium user, then you can message them directly. Okay, so you don't have, and you can explain your about your profile, about your role, about your previous experiences in that message, and drop a CV. There are chances like out of 10 recruiters, only one will reply to your message, but at least that will help you. Okay, and that's how you build connection as well. Okay, uh, so, and once you have like plenty of connection, it won't show a number of connection, it will just show 500 plus connection, whatever followers that you have, that will show up. And obviously that will be a highlight for your career as well, highlight of your profile as well, because when recruiters visit your profile, they want to see how active you are, how nicely your profile is built, how many connections you have. That shows your credibility in the market as well. Okay. Now, there are some few things that is like that will be private to you. So if you want to see resources, then you can see create mode, get discovered, like based on profile. So this is basically when you're looking for a job, it will be when you click on I'm looking for a new job, when you create a profile, then obviously this creator mode is on. My network, if you want to see manage and connection and interest, you can do that. Personal demographic information, if you click on that, then obviously your gender, your disability, if you want to show it, you can do it. And there are a few things like visibility as well. uh, what are the things that you want to show in your profile. So I have put my name and headline. You can, if you want, you can put other things as well. Edit your public profile, and who can see or download your email address, you can see. So you can put it like first and second degree connection, or first connection, or anyone on LinkedIn. Okay, I've just put it first degree connection. Who can see your email address, and basically that will download your email address. Yeah, that's it. And connections. So if visibility of connections. So yeah, obviously I have put it on. If you want to put it off, it's up to you. Who can see your last name? That's for my basically for everyone, but if you want, you can hide it like that. And there are other options as well that you can see if you want to manage your visibility. Advertising data, if you want to manage that, you have the option as well. So it's all there in the settings. It's all personal to you. Account preferences, all personal to you. So what are the things that you want to show? So name, location, industry, whatever, you can put it like that, and then obviously it will be saved and shown. Okay. So it's all there in the settings, resources, basically. Or no, sorry, the previous section that was coming up. I have managed it, so that's why it's gone now. But when you create the new profile, it will show up. Or you can just simply go to settings and these things will come up. So there are ways to go to setting as well.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. In our profile, there is one section called as open to work uh, at the top, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, open to work. Yeah. So
Yeah.
if we, no, the below one, where you have mentioned the roles you would like to apply for. Yeah.
Okay. Open to
Yeah.
section. This one?
Uh, just below. Yeah. In the open to, yeah. In the below one. Yes. So, if we select this section, is this visible to all our connections? Let's say I'm having a job, but let's say I'm looking for a new job and I select this option. So,
Yeah.
will it be visible to all my connections or I can restrict it?
So yeah, so this is like a job preference section. Okay, so if you want to put like whatever profiles that you are interested in, you can put it. You can put the location option. You can add location up to 5. Remote also you can put. Uh, and you can say start date or flexibly, whatever. Immediately I'm actively applying. You're looking for full-time jobs. Okay. And there are two other things: all LinkedIn members or recruiters only. Okay, so if you click on recruiters only, then company then recruiters from other companies will look for you, not the recruiters from your company, as well as all the LinkedIn members. But I put it for all LinkedIn members, so I can do that. I mean,
Okay,
so you can do either options, either recruiters only, or you can look for others as well. So okay, so you can do that.
okay.
If you
Yes,
want to
okay. Thank you.
delete from, then you can click on delete from profile. Okay,
Yeah, thanks.
no worries. Now, uh, now, then then few posts that you have put, those things will come up in your activity section. We don't, when you start posting, it will come up on its own. Now, finally, if you want to uh, show something about yourself, like executive summary or whatever you want to put, you can put. I haven't updated few things as well, so I'll update it on the go. Okay, so I would just say experienced data scientist with a demonstrated history of working in data science, data analytics, and information technology and services industry for more than 6 years. Skilled in Python. These are the things. I have highlighted few libraries: R, machine learning, deep learning, stats. Few of the important things that I want to mention. And I would like to add generative AI. Recently, I've been working on generative AI, so I'll add few other things as well if you want. Based on this, you can add. If you want to add some skills based on that, you can add. So Python, machine learning, statistical data analysis, electrical engineer, customer relationship, things like that. I would remove these and add some relative uh, skills. Generative. It's not finding generative AI, but yeah, I'll just put AI, artificial intelligence.
So Rahul, you are working in generative AI or you have covered any course or any material?
No, I am working on generative AI right now on a project.
Okay, can you explain the little bit task in 1 or 2 lines? What are the tasks they are demanding for generative AI?
Yeah, of course. So yeah, just put few things. I'll come to that. Rupesh,
Okay,
don't worry.
okay, okay.
So Python, machine learning, statistical data analysis, deep learning. I don't know why it's not showing in my profile. So I'll just put customer relation management. Doesn't matter. But yeah, you can from your CV or from your few of the things that you have mentioned in your profile, it will just showcase. So top skills that will come up. So about you can mention about your profile and about your whatever that you want to put. If you want to put an executive summary of your profile, you can put it in the about section as well. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 liners summary that you put on the top of your CV, you can put it like that. So this is my CV. Okay, and as you can see, I have put the experience section as one liner. Okay, 6+ years as a data scientist providing solution to business problems and managing teams. Okay, you can put. I mean, in the UK, it's this format that I have to put 1 or 2 liner max. So I have put it like that. But if you want, you can put it separately. If you want, you can put an elaborated section over here. 3, 4 add 3, 4 lines. We'll talk about a little bit about your skills as well, and then it will top skills will come up like this. Okay, as I've shown. Uh, then we will go to experience section. Okay, so what are the things that you can add in the experience section? Okay, so when you'll see in my current experience section, I haven't put very detailed information, but when you will see, and I will update that right in front of you. So when you'll see how it is, how I have designed it, it's like uh, while working in a fine in India as a data scientist, I have put few information about my projects. So during my recent employment in a fine, I was working as a data scientist and worked on multiple projects that involved working for a retail client and handling the project for their EMEA and global account division. Okay, so I'm talking about my client, I'm talking about my role, and I'm also talking about that I have done multiple projects for that client. Okay, and also which region. It's important because that shows that I have knowledge of a retail client's data for a particular region. EMEA is like Europe, Middle East, Asia, and global accounts like all over the world, whatever accounts they are tagged in. So I have knowledge of a retail business and the knowledge of data of especially EMEA region as well as global regions as well. So I was working cross-functional team, and that's important that you're showing that you worked on a cross-functional team. That means you're collaborative. but was an individual contributor to the project, which allowed me to learn new skills like Azure Databricks, AWS Gen 2. It also allowed me to try my experience on time series algorithms like Serima, Serimax, and Profit. Okay, so these things you can highlight. A little bit about your project. The projects were about boosting sales revenue and optimization. Optimizing the target of sales representatives so that the company gets the benefit from setting a quota when well enough to achieve the consistent growth. These roles also involve working on data analysis, improving the existing model, doing RCA, creating robust machine learning models, and creating monthly, quarterly reports for the business. Okay. So when you read, this is a detailed information that I can't put in my CV because of obviously the space issue, and I don't want to show like what are the things I have done in this detail. Okay, but you can put it in your LinkedIn profile. If somebody is interested, they will get to know. Okay, so this role, what I'm talking about in this section is I have boosted sales revenue by doing data analysis and data science. And what are the things that I've done? I have analyzed the data that it requires to be put through a machine learning algorithm, which needs seasonality forecasting. So basically, I have done improvement in the existing models by adding some forecasting methods. Okay, and then the final end product was to create monthly and quarterly reports for the business. So that was the final end reporting as the final outcome of the entire project. Okay, now what was the key contribution? Then you can put few things from your resume directly, like developed Serima, Serimax, and profit model for seasonal data, improving the accuracy by 35% and proximity. These are the KPIs that we're highlighting. And again, I have developed a KNN regressor model, which for global accounts, which improve the accuracy by 4%, proximity 2%. And obviously, I've done some automation. I've managed client relationship and the skills that I've used. So in this way, you can put information of this sort. Okay, and then you can say about your skills as well, and that's it. Uh, so finally, if you want to highlight about your profile and talk about your profile, what all you have done, you can do it in this section. I haven't myself done in all the sections. I should do that honestly, but yeah, I've done it for one of the companies, and that should be enough to talk about my experience. If I want to add about my recent experience, okay, I just have to click on edit. Okay, these things will be in already present. Everything is fine. I just have to put in my description what all I have done. So what I can do is I can take. I'm not going to write about things that I have done, that I've written here in these two sections, first and the second paragraph. I'll just talk about the key contribution. So I just highlight like this, key contribution. Okay, and I'll just put it like this. So and once it's updated, you will see how it is showing. Okay, uh, that's done. And if I want to highlight some skills, then I can say Python, NLP, then I can say generative AI, and then I can say CNN, sorry, not CNN, sequential model, sequential algorithm to be precise. And also I can say BigQuery, GCP, Azure, Gradio, Hugging Face. Yeah. And then just click on save. Or should I add something else? Okay. I should say forecasting as one of the projects. Forecasting algorithms. I just say forecasting. That's it. Nothing algorithms. That should be. Okay. So when I click on save, it will appear on my profile. So something like this. Okay. Whatever I have put in the key contribution over here, it is coming here. There is one thing that is missing. So click on. Cool. So my key contribution are visible. If I want to, I'll add detailed information in a couple of paragraphs on the top as well later on. So what are the key contributions? So I developed AI-powered chatbot using ChatGPT API to handle customer service queries and FAQs, effectively cutting customer service workload. So basic by 45%. Okay, so in my recent project, previous project, I worked on I basically built a chatbot. Okay, and it was a proof of concept for a company who was looking for reducing their workload for their customer service department. It's an in general problem that many companies face, because every company, every product based company or even service based companies have customer service department that, I mean, when you call to customer service, they resolve your queries, right? But most of the times they get uh, very common questions frequently, so they give that data information to us there and give the transcript of the calls basically. And what we can do is we can train our model in two sections. Basically, one section will be your private information that you don't want to share it with chat gpt. So you can train your model using sequential algorithms and connect it with chat gpt. If you want to train chat gpt with the data which is not classified information about customers, about your products, just in general queries. So you can train that, and you can club together and create a chatbot which will resolve queries based on classified information as well, and resolve in general queries as well. So what that will do, it will reduce the workload of a customer service department. Okay, so that's what I achieved from building that chatbot. And it's very important to use star or who method, where you are mentioning about the project, you are mentioning how you resolved it and what exactly was the result finally that you achieved. Okay, then the other project about audit data, where I used forecasting and vector autoregressive model, and basically then I've done some dashboarding as well, as I'm a data consultant. So I have to look after multiple things, not only data science. I have to look after data analysis project as well as some business intelligence projects. So I look after everything, and I manage client relationship as well. So I have mentioned oversaw 3 client relationship, and with increasing experience, you have to be very good with managing client relationship. So you have to highlight that that is one of the leadership qualities that you should put in. Okay, so yeah, and at the end you can put skills, or if you want you can add your skills in this section as well. So this was not previously there, but if you want you can add it, something of that sort. So I want to add Python, so you can add it. If you want to add like generative, maybe it will show here. I don't know, it's not showing, but yeah, it's fine. PR, no, it's not showing.
This
But
section is limited to skills. It has
yeah,
common skills only.
so it has common skills basically. Even if you put it here, then you can't. So that's why I put it like this. But yeah, if you want, I mean, if it's there in your profile, I mean, highlighted, then it will come up, or after some time it will come up, because I've recently added generative AI in my profile. So maybe that's why it's not coming up. Okay, so if you want to highlight anything else, so you can put it. So these are the things that are coming, although the IBM spoofy and IBM utilities, these are not there in my profile, but still it comes up. But yeah, these are the things that has come up in my profile. So I can put text analytics, TensorFlow, things like that. So yeah, it will come up. I think it will, NLP will also come up. So yeah, these are the things that you can highlight, you can show that you have done. Okay. Again, BigQuery is not coming, but yeah, it should come. GCP is not coming, but it should come. But yeah. So I'm not making use of it. It's not important to make use of it, but yeah. And it will only ask you to add up to 5 skills. If you want, you can add. If you don't want, you can add. Let's see if I save it, how it highlights. Okay, so yeah, you can see skills, Python, and NLP. Okay, so I'll just remove it because that's not giving me any fruitful unnecessary information. Okay, so yeah, so I've already highlighted the skills that I've used, and basically this is how you should show your key contribution. Okay, and then like this that I've added two paragraphs of my profiles, projects that I've worked on, so that's mentioned on top. So each and every company that you have worked, it will come into your experience section, and you'll have the edit option. Just have to go to edit and check all the information first, and location type, on site you can put, and you can put the start date, and if you're currently working, then it will not ask for end date. And then in the description section you can add everything. If you want to add basically whatever projects that I've done, I can't show it to show it publicly, mm, because if I show my Git repository, it has data, and I can't share that information, so I don't add it. If you have done some personal projects, you can add that in the media section. Just have to provide the link, add link, or upload a media of the entire project if you want, and you can just save it, and it will show it in your profile as well. Okay, so that's how it works in this section as well. If you want to double check that whatever the things that you have done is there or not, so it's all there. So you just have to mention, if you want to add some skills here, you can also do that. It will give you some suggestion as well. So, and if you want to add media or delete one experience, you can do that. So basically this is how you build your profile, and this is how you build your experience section. Okay, again, even I have to update these things initially. So I started my career in Pune, then I went to Kolkata for training in Cognizant, then I moved to Bangalore, basically, and from there I've been working. I was trained in few technologies related to data analytics and data science, and then I was moved to data analytics projects, and then from there I upskilled myself and became a data scientist. And now basically I look after all the sections of this business, not data engineering though, but yeah, apart from that, everything. So yeah, let's go back to my profile again, and let's see. So this is how it looks now. So it is showing, if somebody is interested, they will click on see more and see my profile all in all, what all things that I've done. Okay, and yeah, then comes the education section. Okay, so when you click on education section, what it will show about you is like what are the things that you have done. So I have highlighted project, like in that, what are things that I have done. I've done a project in 2 phases in my master's degree, so you can show it like that. So I was working on a multi-class classification of banknote images based on their quality to identify the fitness level of the note using CNN capsule network. Uh, it was a research-based project, okay, where I had to initially build a model which will be identifying uh, 10, 20, 5, 10, 20, and 50 pound British and Scottish notes. Yeah, and then I had to put some information about the skills and key contribution. If you want to add skills, you can add here as well, and just click on save, and it will be highlighted in your profile. So similar way that I have put in my experience section, like the projects, I have done that in the section of university as well, education as well, and the key contribution as well. Okay. Now I recommend putting if you have done achieved a lot in your school, just put a lot in your school as well. I recommend putting your bachelor's or master's highest qualified degree, and put your about your projects, and it should be relevant to your job, whatever you're doing as well. So it is relevant to my job, that's why I put. If it is completely irrelevant, there's no need to put it. Just mention about your score, about your whatever information that you want to put, and that should be enough. Okay. So if I want to add degree, add a grade or percentage or something of that sort, I can do that, and that's it. uh, and if you want to add some activities, like I was basically I was a part of AI community in that, so I was one of the member of AI community, AI society. So I was a member of AI society uh, at University of Southampton. So I can put it like that, and we can add some skills, media. If you want to show any project that you have done while being in the university, you can show that. Again, I can't show even this project because this is also a project that I've done for a company, and again, they and I was analyzing banknotes, which is the most classified information that you can have, and I can't put that publicly as well, unfortunately for me. So that's the reason why I can't give links. But if you have some personal projects which you can show, obviously you're more than welcome to do that. Okay. So that's how you build your education section. If you want to add some more in other section, you can add. Just follow this format. But it should tell about your project. It should tell about your skills you've used, your key contribution, as well as if you want to put the grade, and when you started, when you ended, activities, whatever uh, things that you want to put, just put it there, and it will be highlighted. So your profile should look a bit of appealing to the recruiter, and initially they will look into this open to work, and what are your highlights, and then if they're interested, then they will go deeper, and they will look into things that you have done. So few things about your project, few things about your key contribution, what are the things that you have done, what are your leadership qualities. If you have like more than 4 5 years experience, they will look into it, they will see everything, and then finally they will, if they like your profile, they will contact you. Okay. So as I said, licenses and certification, if you want to put, have added this one license, IBM data science and AI certification from IBM. If you want, if you have any other certification, you can add. Just click on plus, and this will give you name, issue and organization, issue date, month, credential ID, or any URL that you have. If you want to add some skills as well, you can do that, and based on that you will add a section in your skills. Okay. Right. Now so this is done. Okay. In the project section, if you want, this is optional. Already you have, you can, I have put in the education section, but if you want to highlight separately or any personal project, you can do that as well over here. So just click on plus, and it will show your projects and everything that will be visible to everyone. Okay. Um, yeah. Now, if you want to add some skills, okay, demonstrate skills, or just go into some transferable skills. If you want, you can add that. So if you have any transferable skills related to sales, marketing, project management, you can do that as well. And if you want to add some more information about your skills, just click on edit, and so there are few endorsement that you can ask people, or people will do it if they know it, if they know you. Okay. And it will be endorsed, and few of the the skills that you want to put it, you can put it like that, and it will be visible to your, I mean, I have added a lot of skills, but yeah, you can add some more if you want. Yeah. So I've added the maximum number of skills. If I want to remove a few skills and if I want to add some new, so I can do that. So let's say if I want to remove JCL. Okay. Now I will get I've added the maximum number of skills. Delete it. Demonstrate skills. Yeah. IBM spoofy. I want to delete. And it should ideally give me now, but it's not giving me. Industry knowledge, skills, all skills. So basically it's not giving me the option to add another skill set, but yeah, initially it will give you to add some skill sets. Okay. And here you can add, like just like I've added, so it will give you a plus sign or something of that sort. Even if I've deleted it, it's not giving me, unfortunately, but it will give you an option to edit here, just like it is giving me option to edit over here. In each and every skill set, it will have a you will have a button to edit, and you can go and add your skills as well. Okay. And you can take tests which can help you make you recognizable, basically. So I have passed, I had some free time and passed Python and machine learning skill set. You can add more skill set and get LinkedIn certified as well. Okay.
So how many questions are basically asked in this test related to any field?
I really don't remember. It was a long oh, sorry.
Okay, okay.
I think it's 15 questions.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
I really don't remember. It was a very long time ago.
And for
Uh,
every skills we have this kind of assessment.
yes, you have. So you can do the assessment. So okay, not here. But if you want to get the assessment, you can go to learning, I guess. And there, I mean, it's been a long time since I've taken these assessment, but you can do that, I guess. I'll have to find it out somewhere.
No worry, I will check. No, not a problem.
Yeah, cool. So yeah, but yeah, you can get yourself a certified LinkedIn skilled, basically, and you can add that as well. And obviously, these are the section. I mean, after that, your interest, your companies, groups, and everything will come up, whatever, and your newsletter that you have subscribed to. These will come up. Okay. And for causes, if you want to add some causes, that what are the things that you care about. Few people are interested in multiple things, so you can add. These are the main section of society that you can add. It's very, I mean, can be relevant to people who are applying for a master's degree or something of that sort, because few universities see what are the things that you are interested in. Okay. Yeah. That's it. So I can save it and it will be added in this. Okay. Yeah, so this is the entire section of your LinkedIn profile. Now we will talk about network. So my network. Okay. So basically, when you go to my network, you will see multiple requests, connection requests, contacts, following and followers, groups. I am in few groups as well. Okay. Event pages, newsletter, hashtags, and things of that sort. If you don't want to see it, just click on show less. Yeah, and here your connections will come up. If you want to connect with somebody, you can connect. It will usually show your second tier connections, or it will show you people from your company. It will show you people with similar roles as well. Okay. And then you can make some connection. Okay, or you can just search for them. So suppose I recently searched for Dr. Annalisa. She is one of the, you know, manager, machine learning manager at PwC, and she was a part of Google. So don't send her connection request. I'm just saying that it's one of the profiles that you should look upon. So she was a part of Google AI platform, and yeah, she has done PhD, and she has done some great things. So that, I mean, and if you see her profile, it's not necessary that she has to mention all the links and all the, uh, projects. It's good that you're adding projects and skill set, but few things speak for themselves. So she has done a PhD, she has done few things, so you can make a connection request, and yeah, you can connect with her, and you can do things like so. I'll just make connection request. So I'm sending connection request. If I want to message her, then it will come up. So if I want to message a person who is not in my connection, it will ask for premium. Okay, and that's why I've mentioned that you should take a premium profile for a month, just to like uh, search for recruiters. So there's a you can search anything. So if you want to search for recruiters, so just type recruiters in UK. If I'm not doing that, and if you can ask for search for recruiters in Canada, you can search for recruiters in Bangalore and things like that, and it will show up. Click on people, and there you go. There are multiple people that will come up, and you can connect with them. And when you have to message them, then they will ask for your premium profile. So you can message them directly, just to see. And when I say that, if I want to connect with a recruiter, so just click on their profile, see what exactly they are doing, what were their posts. So if you see and check what were their posts about. So if they are like hiring United Kingdom for Saudi Arabia for hospital, okay, so it's not of my, I mean, the recruiters are basically aligned towards a particular role or particular business. So they were hiring for Python developer, they were hiring for Scala developer, Scrum master, and things like that. So maybe they might have a job role in data science or data analysts profile. So make a connection request and message them. And basically, if I want to message them, then again, obviously, it will say retry premium free. So 1 month premium you can take, and obviously, you can make that connection. So just write recruiters and in a region, okay, just like that, and click on people, and then go to their profile and make the connection request. So few of them are, so if you have a premium profile, so IN will come up as highlighted. So this means that they have premium profile. So definitely, if you have to be a premium to message them or connect with them. If you, even if you're not a premium member, then also you cannot make a message. You cannot write a message to them directly. You have to be a premium member so that you can connect with them properly. Okay. And now, yeah. So basically, this is how you look for recruiters, or look for people who can be, relevant to your profile and might be hiring. You can also look for recruitment agencies. So just type recruiters in UK, and you can see cybersecurity recruiter, experienced IT recruiters. Okay, and if you want to see all jobs, it will just show that, yeah, these are the jobs that are coming. It is based on my profile and the recruiters as well. So that's how it works. And there are some profiles, I mean, some of my connections as well. So these so one of them is like Rosie. She's one of the recruiters that is hiring for somebody for a requirement solution. And yeah, so this is about the network. That's how you make connection. And in the job section, you will have a jobs section. Okay, you can set up an alert, job alert. So I have set up alert in United States, United Kingdom, data analyst, data scientist profile. I will delete few of them. If you want to add some more, you can add up to 5, I guess. And yeah, that's it. If you want to add job alerts, just click on based on recommendation profile. Okay. Yeah. So if you want to add a job alert, so what you can do is just search for data scientist, suppose like this, and you can say on-site remote. You can set up the location. So I've set up United Kingdom, and obviously you click on search and it will come up. And see, this alert is on for me. If I want to add United States, okay, so just click on set alert, and that's it. This will be, so I removed that data scientist alert on United States. Now if this is on, then it will be showing it my alert section. So if I click on job alert, it will say data scientist United States. Okay, this alert has been added again. So you just don't have to do anything. Just go on jobs, search for the job titles, suppose data consultant. Okay. And if I click on United Kingdom, and if I want to just set an alert, okay, just set the alert, and that's it. These data consultant jobs as well will come up for me. And obviously the alert will be set and I can start working on it. I mean, I can start applying for it, for the jobs. So alerts will come up directly in your notification whenever new jobs or bunch of new jobs will be posted. Okay, so that's how it works. There are a few other things in the job section as well. So if you want to demonstrate skills, you can do that, where like transferable skills if you want. As I mentioned, there's an interview preparation section as well. So I think few of the things that so if you go and see what are the things, what are the questions, in general questions that people ask, you can take help of it. There are 20-25 questions. What is your greatest strength? Why should we hire you? Just in general questions that people ask. Okay, these are there in your job section. You can take help of that. There's a resume builder as well. Okay, so if you upload the profile, it will build your resume. If you have a premium one, they will highlight few of the key skills and keywords, and that will help you. Job seeker guidance, it will show you a video of how we want to get referral. And it's important to see few of the videos. I would suggest number 3 and number 5 are very important. I mean, if you want to see all 5 of them, it's fine, it's up to you, but I would say how to get a referral and best practices for getting a job, these are very important. And this is how it works. Basically, you can see each and every video, and based on that you can improve your profile as well. Okay, finally, yeah, application settings. If you want to add, so I have added few resumes from my past and present as well. So you can add as many resumes as you want and use it up as per your job title. So if I want to apply for data scientist, I will add few of the skills that highlight more about data scientist. If I want to apply for data consultant jobs, it will show a few of the things that demonstrate skills wider than data scientists. So that's how basically works. So if you want to add some more resume, you can add it and use it as per your choice, as per your job title that you are applying. Okay, if you want, if you're a recruiter posting for a new job, you can do that now. Finally, as you can see, there are two things that is coming up in my profile. So you can see senior machine learning engineer at Altana Technologies. Okay, you can see here. Uh, it's important to see what are the things that are shown in your profile and how exactly it is matching with your job description. So about the job, it is showing intelligent about talking about machine learning. So you have to be good at deploying machine learning models, build maintainable, supportable, scalable machine learning pipelines, working cross-functional team, things like that, blah blah blah. Just check once. I have 9 out of 10 skills matching with my profile, so it will recommend you maybe a good fit. Just click on easy apply, click on next. So this is my latest resume. I just want to put it like this. I'm not going to put a cover letter. If you want, you can put. There are a few questions that they will ask. So like disability option. No, I don't have a disability. Veteran, I am not a veteran. And race, I'm an Asian, male. That's it. Go to next. Screening questions, website. Okay. So let's put my LinkedIn profile in the website section instead of website. I haven't built a website which can be publicly shown. Next, located at London. Yes, I have more than 5 years experience. I need a sponsorship for my visa review. That's it. Submit. So my job request for this company has been sent. Okay. Now, if you want to, there's another section for this company called Tesco. So it's one of the large retail companies. Okay. And if you want to apply in that, so basically you have to go to their company section, and then you will see that there's an option of apply, and then you can fill in some information. You can put your username or ID, or if you want to put if you want to create a new profile, there should be somewhere here where it will show create, or click here for help, or create a new profile. Okay, so here you can create a new profile by uploading your name, CV, uploading your name, email address, password, and upload a CV. Just create my account. Okay, or you can, if you are an existing user, put username and password, and then you can apply for this job. Okay, so there are two ways to apply. Directly go to the company's profile, and by LinkedIn's easy apply as well. Okay, I recommend personally to just check if it is there. If you have the option to apply on the company's website or company's portal, just go directly there and then apply. If you have the option of meet the hiring team, so if I see the hiring team, okay, if I want to add them into my connection, I just go to add and just send a connection request, just to nudge them once. If you have applied for the job, and after a week no reply comes up, then you can nudge them once with your CV and two liners about I've applied for this role, blah blah blah. I'm waiting for the response. Can you please check once, or something of that sort. Just politely, few lines of your message once they accept your connection request. Okay, so there are two ways to apply and make connection as well. So you can meet the hiring team, you can go to their profile and see other recruiters as well, which will be mostly around that area. So people you may know from Lucas company, so they are implementation data scientist, solution manager, talent acquisition, so you can make a connection with them. So they are a recruiter, so I'll make a connection request to them as well. So if that recruiter is interested in your profile, they will add you in your profile as well. and then they will obviously help you out in getting this job. So that's how you make connection. That's how you uh, meet people who are directly related to hiring teams of the companies. And don't hide out, don't feel ashamed that you messaged them and they didn't reply. Okay, when I was searching for jobs in India, even I have messages that I messaged multiple people and nobody replied. But that's okay. I mean, if out of 10 people, if one of them reply, one of them take your profile forward, that is one interview basically that you have earned, right? And try to make the most of it. That's all. So that's how you make a use of LinkedIn. That's how you optimize your LinkedIn profile, by adding some profile information, adding some skill information. And that's how finally you make use of LinkedIn profile, by adding some connection and making them, make yourself connected with them and making them know about you. Okay. And there, as I mentioned, there are two ways. There's a LinkedIn way in Easy Apply, and there's another way where you get the link directly to your company's portal, sorry, and there you can apply. So there are multiple jobs that are coming up for me based on my search, and I can apply in these if I want. Okay, cool. That being said, I had to talk about these three sections because the other one is messages and notification, and then again profile only. So there's nothing there to talk about. Yeah, if you want to go to settings and privacy, you can go from here as well. That's all. And for business, there are multiple things that are coming up. It's not for our use, but yeah, you can make use of learning. So if you want to learn few things, it will take you to I'll show you how it works in a minute. And that's it. You will see multiple things that are coming up. So you can search. So suppose I want to learn about, say, SQL. Okay. So there are 55 courses available, and you can search for them, look for them. I'm not going to comment about the credibility of it. It can be or cannot be good. So mostly if it's like 4.7 rated by 93 people, maybe it could be good. So if you want to learn, make use of SQL, you can learn from it, from the LinkedIn Learning as well. Okay. I think the problem with these courses are like they can or cannot be aligned with what you want, but yeah, at least it will cover the basics if you want. So this is the option of LinkedIn Learning as well, which you can make use of it as well. Right. So that's all I had to talk about.